Hey there everyone, Jason DePaola here from Near Strength and Conditioning, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about diets and food habits and stuff like that. Now if you've just come off Christmas and you've been eating a lot, brilliant, don't worry about it. We've had a real shitty year this year. Don't worry if you sort of like want to be on a diet and over Christmas you've eaten a lot. Don't worry about it, you'll get back on track. Just think about that, don't worry about it. Now what I want to talk about is what I've been saying to my clients and to people for the last 10 years or so. Now I've talked about being on a calorie deficit. Now this has become very popular in social media in the last couple of years because social media has blown up and everyone's talking about calorie deficit. Now there is much more just than a calorie deficit. Now I've been watching other videos and stuff been popping up on my feeds and stuff about other people saying it's not about calorie deficit, it's about mindset, it's about changing habits and stuff like that, which brilliant, yes I do get, and you do need to change your mindset and habits when it comes to eating and food choices and stuff. But when I say to people a calorie deficit, now I tell people do that first because most probably that is the easiest thing you can do straight away. Now I've seen other videos like I said, and what they say is about don't worry about calorie deficit and your macros and stuff. You got to think about mindset and making habits. Brilliant, right? But your mindset and changing habits take time to change it. Make a habit and change a habit takes, I don't know, I saw a statistic, it takes 6 to 8 weeks for you to get that habit, to change yourself, to make that habit a normal thing. Okay, so it does take a while. So if you get a personal trainer, a nutritionist, most likely it's a personal trainer that really doesn't know about nutrition that much. Talking about, you got to think about your mindset and habits first of all. Yeah, right. But it's going to take you time. You're not going to change from a high calorie diet like you're going to eat fish and chips and fatty foods and all that and stuff, and then all of a sudden you're eating salads and healthy food straight away. That's not going to happen overnight. It will take 6 to 8 weeks or even longer for you to make small changes to get to that point. Now what I tell people you can do straight away, literally the next day, is be in a calorie deficit. You can still eat your same foods, but just knock off 200 calories per day, or sometimes 300. Not a lot, you don't have to do a great deal. You don't have to go down to 800 calories a day if you want 3,000 calories a day if you want to lose weight. It's a different matter if you want to gain weight and put on muscle mass, but that's for another video. But if you want to lose weight and lose the fat, the first thing that is the best thing for you to do is very next day after I've talked to you is just think about your food and just knock off 200 calories. That could be anything from a sandwich that you buy in the supermarket, that could be anything from a milkshake that you buy in the supermarket, it's 200 calories. Anything that's 200 calories that you normally eat, like cheese or something like that, cut it down straight away. And then from there we can get habits and get proper mindset into your food eating and food quality and your choices from there, and then that can grow. And while you're doing that for the next say 8 weeks to get that habit, you're cutting down your calorie deficit, you're cutting down your calories. So while you're doing that, you're losing weight. Your mind is and your body is getting used to eating less. This is what I say, calorie deficit first. Yes, mindset, habits is a big key thing, but I don't like personal trainers that really don't know about nutrition and stuff saying you've got to do change your mindset, change your habit. Changing your mindset is a very difficult thing to do. Okay, you know, it's not something like I say you can change overnight. It's a thing that might take time. It's like I know people with depression, and I suffer with depression a lot as well. And it's like you can't the very next day be happy just because someone else wants to make you happy, or you want to make someone else happy, or someone else wants to see you happy, so to speak. You know, you can't if you're in a depression, and I think I'm bipolar myself. I haven't been sort of tested, but I do get ups and downs. Sometimes I do not want to make other people happy. Just go away and leave me alone. But that's not going to change overnight. I know I'm talking about depression here, but I'm talking about calorie deficit, but it's the same sort of thing. I want you to think about, first thing of all, calorie deficit, okay? 200 calories, 100 calories, whatever, per day. That will gradually grow over a week, and then you'll find that maybe, I don't know, say let's say 800 calories, maybe less, over a week. That could be half a pound of weight that you might lose just in 1 week before you start doing any habits or mindset stuff. That will come in time. Now this is why I want to do this video, because I see a lot of it on social media, Instagram. I know I keep going on about it. It does sometimes really grind my gears that I see a lot of this information and it's getting out to people, and up to me, in my opinion, I don't think it's the correct one. It's just stuff for people to get their own followers and just to make themselves look brilliant because they've seen it on someone else's feed and they're just regurgitating it, okay? So let's just say calorie deficit first, to say it properly, calorie deficit first. Do that, you can do that straight away, that day. Even if I talk to you on the phone Wednesday, you can do that straight away, and then we can work together over a period of time of changing your food habits, making right choices after that, and then it will all work. And then with proper strength training, proper resistance training that I will give you, you will get stronger, fitter, leaner, much more quicker, and in that way you're going to find out that whatever gains you get or lose fat, you will keep, it will stay with you. It won't be like these yo-yo diets that you go next day 800 calories for 2 weeks. Yeah, you lose a lot of weight, but your metabolism completely fries out, and then you'll start building up your calories again, but your metabolism is gone, and then you'll start putting on weight because your metabolism has shrunk, and it takes maybe 4 to 5 times longer to get it back revved up again, and then in that time you're eating calories which are not being burnt because your metabolism's like been basically switched off. So there we go. I hope you like this video. Please like and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to get some more people on YouTube because I just need some more people on YouTube. It'd be much more better for me, and I can do some much more better videos out for you. So please also get me on Instagram as well. I'll put a link somewhere around here. Follow me on Instagram, it'd be much appreciated. I'll put a lot more stuff on Instagram that I don't put on other social media sites and my YouTube channel. And yeah, there we go. And I hope you like this video about calorie deficit and making food choices. If there's any questions that you might want about strength training or anything like this, please do not hesitate to shoot me a message. I'll be more than happy to help you at any time. So I'll see you on another video coming real soon.